Happy Friday, guys. Again, we're playing a little bit of catch up this week. So on Friday today, we'll work on reading activity 2 and then math activity number 2. So for reading activity 2, it says meet the characters. So the characters are the people or animals in the story. So it says character traits are words that describe or tell you about the character. So these are the characters, the people. They are based on what the character says or does. So a trait is what someone would say about you. So if you are really funny, that's a trait. That's someone would say, oh my goodness, they are so funny, or they are so happy. So those are traits. So then it says fill in the sentence below each character with a word that best describes them. So think about bat. So here's bat. A word that would describe bat is. So think about bat. What do we know about him? What are some words that you would use to describe him? And they gave us some choices over here. Is he happy? Is he nice? Is he excited? Is he smart? Is he kind? Is he shy? Is he sad? Is he loud? Is he lazy? Is he sweet? Is he brave? Is he curious? Is he funny? Is he mad? What are some words that we would think about bat that we've learned about him so far? Because it says you can write your own. It doesn't have to be just from that box. And then you can write it on the line. If you want to use your journal and write in your journal a word to describe bat, you are more than welcome. And then it wants you to describe his sister, Janie. So how would you describe her? You know, is she angry? Is she happy? Is she friendly? Is she nice? What do you think about Janie, his sister? Think about the interactions that her and Bat have had. Think about how they've talked to each other. What do you think about her so far? So that's where you're going to write those. Again, you can use your journal if you would like to for some better lines. So that's reading activity 2. Let's talk about math activity 2 now. So yesterday, you guys went and found those shapes of food. What did you find? Did you find some different shapes in your kitchen? So today, we're looking back on those answers that you wrote down. And it says, compare the numbers of items. So compare means to look at them and see how they're the same. So see how your items that were circles, squares, rectangles, and triangles. And see which ones you have more of, which ones you have less. So remember our math words for that. Greater than, so greater means more. Which number is greater of your answers you wrote up here? Which one's less? So which one's the smaller number? And see if you have any that are equal. Remember, equal means the same. So were any of your numbers the same? Were they all the same? If you had a greater number, I want you to circle the greatest one. So which one did you have the most of? Did you have the most of circles? Look at your number. Is that the biggest one? Did you have the most of rectangles, of squares, or triangles? Or if they tied, you could circle both of them. And then the smallest one, I want you to put an X on it. And then we can see which one was the least or the smallest. So that's your math activity for today. I can't wait to see your guys' work and your answers. And let me know if you have any questions. I love you guys so much and I miss you. Bye.